Peace and love, family. So I feel like this video is gonna be a little controversial one, but spirit is simple. I'm gonna tell you how to make $1 million. It's just simple, as per a guru, given and explained and said by a guru, and testimonials from people who have done this and it has actually worked. All you need to do is believe, young one. So boom, how to become a millionaire, the mantra to become a millionaire. So boom, if you follow me, you already know the deal, Streamer Z. But to acquire $1 million, so boom, I'm gonna just tell you like this, the Dr. Pillai story. He said he had a guy come up to him and said, okay, boom, the mantra and the stuff you told me, Dr. Pillai gave him, advice and stuff and the mantra, and he made $1 million. Boom, dude made $1 million. So we, people are making all types of money with Streamer Z. People are always, been making millions. It's nothing new. That's kind of regular. There's at least a handful of people who've made millions, $1 million+ with Streamer Z. Streamer Z is the first step. So this, if you have Streamer Z, you know what that is. Streamer Z will be used in conjunction with the mantra I'm about to tell y'all. But Dr. Pillai said he had a guy come in, talk to him, and he said, boom, I made $1 million. Dr. Pillai, I want a mantra to make $1 billion. Dr. Pillai says, you want a mantra to make $1 billion? Repeat this mantra here. Billionaire I am. That's it. He says, what? In English is gonna work? And billionaire I am, it seems, no, there ain't no way. He says, does the language matter? I shouldn't be saying it in Sanskrit? No. It's all about intention. Intention. Intention is key. So he says, boom, billionaire I am, to make $1 billion. So that's for $1 billion. Now you can just, context clues will tell you if you're trying to make $1 million, you would say millionaire I am. And I cannot prove that's what he used to make his first $1 million. But if he's going to make $1 billion like that, then you would have to make $1 million like that. So millionaire I am, coupled with Streamer Z. So you see how I got, it might be flipped. Millionaire I am, all my Streamer Z's, millionaire I am. That's it. Millionaire I am. Write that over and over, along with Streamer Z. It should manifest a whole lot faster. Peace out. Love y'all. He made $1 million already. Like, what more do you want? It's intention. Just Streamer Z. Love y'all. Peace.